Okay, so now we're gonna start the PYQs for alphabetical sequence. I have just taken all the questions which are related to some sort of series or sequence, um, and it might not just be with respect to with respect to. I mean, it usually will have a pattern. Anyways, let's start with 2022. I could just find one question in that, which is which is this one in the series. This. So which letter is at the 100th place? Now this is what is formed, right? Now, how do we solve this question? Um, it was like, let me take you through how I thought about solving it. It requires the 100th place. So 100th place would mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the 10th place. Now I'll need 100th place. So obviously it's illogical to like write down that. So you have to find ways in which you can make a pattern. Now what pattern this makes is it's 1, and then there are 2 terms here, there are 3 terms here, and there is 4 terms here. Now why we're making this as 2 terms and 3 terms and 4 terms is because if you consider 3 here, the addition, the end of this third term will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? End of this is 1, end of this is 3, end of this is 6, end of this is 10th. Now we can observe that it's it's going towards a fashion in which it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's based on the position. Now if we can figure out the addition of these numbers, so the third position is basically 2 plus 1. The sixth position here is basically 3 plus 2 plus 1. 3 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So based on this, we can use this formula of sum. Alright. This formula will be used based on the fact that when there are 2 terms here, the addition, it's in the third term, and the addition gives us 3. Right. Now, basically what we are trying to figure is the addition of the numbers is giving the position of the number. So that's how I try to figure it out. Now n equals 13 is what is the T, like it's the nearest. So like n13 didn't strike me first, so I just tried with 10, then with 12 using this formula, and into n plus 1 by 2. We need to remember this formula. It's an important formula for addition of numbers, for sum of numbers. Then yeah, that's pretty much it. Then I did 100 minus 91 to find the remaining numbers that I need to add with the series, and that's how I find I is in the 9th place. That is the I, and that's the answer. Alright, this was, I wouldn't say this very easy, I wouldn't call it very easy, but it's fine, it's not that bad. Some people use AP formulas in this, you can use that as well, but this is also fine. I think this is also based on that itself, but yeah, anyways. Now 2021, I found this. In this question, what we need to do is, I heard it from someone that first of all, if you have time, go ahead, put these options, but that is the last resort. If you can make groups, now count the numbers first. If you can make groups of, let's say, of any numbers, then do that, because usually if it's something like this, that means it's following a pattern. First of all, it's not numbers, so it won't be something like prime number or composite number. Alright, it needs to follow a pattern. That's why it's in a series. Now if it's in a series, it will make a pattern which is repetitive. Repetitive matlab you can make groups out of it. So I made like 6 groups, and this is how I went with. I made 6 groups, and it strike me first 6, and when I did, I actually found the answer because it was repeating. So I first made 1 2 3 4 5 6 blanks. Then the groups that I made, the first position was A, so I wrote A here. Then for the second position, for this term you can use B, so I wrote B here, and that's how I completed the pattern, which is repeating, and that fits everywhere. So I found the answer. Now for me 6 worked, luckily, but if you can also try with these numbers, with start with this. See, 2 won't work because you can see like these are different and these are different. Again, 3 won't work as well. So then you can try with 4. Alright, 4 would be again, it probably might work, may not work. Okay, you have to find the pattern based on what is repeating, and that's how you'll figure it out.